Oh, a stick. It's not really a stick. I wish that was a stick. What is up, you guys? It's Jessie May, and welcome to the series where we build our dream tiny house. This is episode 2, so if you missed episode 1, you can check that out in the eye or the description box down below. And if you enjoy renovation and building style type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. If you find any value or enjoyment out of this episode 2 while you're watching it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out tremendously. Now keep in mind, we are not professionals. We are do-it-yourselfers, I guess, you know, kind of like how to, not to teach you. But if you learn anything, let me know down in the comments below because Kevin's got a lot of knowledge, so maybe you can pick up a thing or two. In the last video, as you guys seen, we just organized. Oh, wait, we gotta take these staples out. Okay. So we just got the inside one all taken out of the electrical box. And now, obviously, gotta take these out and then pull it all the way through. And then rewire it.
Honey, are you ready to climb underneath the house?
No.
So we can push that wire through the wall instead of the siding.
I'm not doing it.
Huh?
I don't want to do it.
Sacrifices.
You do it.
You ready to go?
Just put an offer in on a house in Florida, and he's gonna make me climb in the crawl space under our tiny house. Good and bad things happening. And
Mom may cry.
He loves it.
Mom may cry, but it'll make her stronger. It'll make her stronger.
While he signs documents for me to go underneath the crawl space. Knee guards, because there's a bunch of rocks. We are ready to go. I need to vacuum this floor, and she is bored. And now we get to crawl underneath there. Yay! We're gonna move this stuff really quick, and then guess I'm crawling underneath. I guess, yep, I'm so not excited. Ready, guys? Because you're going with me. You guys are sideways. I don't know how else to do it. Oh, there's so many cobwebs. Oh, a stick. It's not really a stick. I wish that was a stick. At least it's not a snake. These rocks are... I am not having fun. Yeah. Ugh. I have to like army crawl. And these rocks really hurt. You guys can't see anything, but I don't know if this is entertainment to you. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, there's a Jesus out there. They gave me a stick with all these cobwebs right here. Hold on. Is that it? Is it covered? Yeah, I see it. Okay.
Once you get it in here, you're just going to want to pull the whole thing to you.
Okay.
Nice and straight, and then...
Pull. Pull a little bit. And good. All right. I'm getting the hell out of here. What? Yeah. Oh, it's not long enough. It's not long enough to do it this way. Rocks in the elbows. Feels lovely. Everything about this is not fun. I'm sweating. Probably because I'm in a hoodie. Can I see it? Can I see it? Ah, it's so hard to read, but it says congratulations on your offer being accepted.
Good times.
We still have no power in here.
Act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine. You'll be just fine. Sometimes we yell when we're sad, and sometimes we laugh when we're afraid. Sometimes we smile when we're mad, and some lines we wished we'd never said. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just
That is what we have done. We're gonna do as much as we can until the sun sets and we can't see anymore. So, good morning, you guys. We didn't really do much of anything after I got off the camera. So, as you can see, we are at the same exact point where we were, and we realized that we did not wire up our outside plugs.
Realize this is the first time Mom's had energy all day talking to the camera.
Well, we have coffee. We're from Javi. Anyway, yeah, so we gotta go back underneath. I have to go back underneath the crawl space. Under the crawl space complete, and we now have our wire out. So he's going to hook that up back to the plug, and then we'll continue on with the Tyveks. We'll see how much we actually fully get done today, because now we're gonna take an intermission and go to the lake. You know what? You guys can go with us. The lake? What's up? Good girl, you're sliding! Can you touch? Oh, great. Boosted. okay. Oh, he's cute. Bye, Bambi. We are back from the lake and now it's back to work.
I don't know about that fast.
And just this left to do. We're getting there.
I didn't see that video with the tornado, but you just don't want this to catch wind.
Yeah, so we're
Rip off.
what? Just tape this then
Yeah.
so it's seamed,
So seamed.
sealed, seal the seam.
Like I said, I don't think we have to go along the top.
It's National Beer Day, and this video is brought to you by Labatt. I'm just kidding, because they didn't sponsor me.
Now you see why.
I actually drank yours.
That's great.
Mine's in a cozy. It's Saturday.
It's 93 degrees.
That'll have to work.